Hello dear student. So in this lecture we will study about syllabus explained as per our exam. As per our exam, what is the syllabus of RAC? RAC is what? RAC is your refrigeration, and AC is your AC is your air conditioning. Okay. So as per this subject and as per our examination, what is the syllabus? So under the topic of first section of this subject, first section is what? Refrigeration. Under this topic, we will study these 5 chapters. Is it right? First chapter is your basic, in bracket negative heat. I will explain you in this topic what is the real meaning of negative heat. And second topic is what? VCRS. That means vapor compression refrigeration system. Okay, vapor compression refrigeration system. And what is your third chapter under first section? First section is your what? Refrigeration. So third chapter is refrigerant. Refrigerant is work like a blood. Is right now refrigerant is work like a blood. I will explain you in this topic. And fourth topic is gas refrigerant system. Okay, and your fifth topic is VARS, vapor absorption refrigeration system. So total five topic under this first section. And in second section is your what? And under second section, total 3 topic I will explain. First topic is basics of air conditioning. That means under the air conditioning topic, what is the basics? Like this. Under the refrigeration topic, what is the basics? And here also we study the what is the basics of air conditioning. And second topic is psychometry. That means study of moist air. Study of moist air. Is it? So here psychometry, under this psychometry topic, we will study that what is the real meaning of moist air and how it will operate in different situations. And third topic is your component design and working. Okay. And at last we will solve GATE previous year question from 2020 to till GATE exam. That means from which date GATE exam will was conduct RAC topic, we will explain all type of question, all type of GATE previous year question. Okay, so this is the syllabus. This is the syllabus as per GATE exam for what? For RAC. RAC, that means what? Refrigeration and air conditioning. Refrigeration and air conditioning. Is it right? Okay, my dear friends. And as per our GATE examination, what percentage of this subject? That means what is the weightage of this subject? RAC. That means refrigeration, for refrigeration and for air conditioning. What is this weightage as per our GATE examination and also as per our ESE examination? Okay, because all technocrat aiming on both examination over GATE as well as ESE. So as per our GATE examination and engineering service examination, what is the weightage of this subject, refrigeration and air conditioning? Okay, so as per GATE examination, refrigeration may be asked 1 to 2 marks. From refrigeration, examiner can ask 1 to 2 marks, and from air conditioning, examiner can ask 2 to 3 marks every year. That means if we consider weightage, then minimum minimum 3 marks and maximum 5 marks is the weightage as per GATE examination. And if we are aiming for engineering service examination, if we are aiming for engineering service examination, then as per objective level, from refrigeration topic, 4 to 6 marks can be asked in your examination, and here also 4 to 6 marks can be asked from air conditioning. Is it right? That means minimum 8 marks and maximum 12 marks. And as per ESC conventional, that means written in written paper, 10 to 15 marks, and here 25 to 30 marks. That means as per ESC conventional, air conditioning topic is very and very important. Is it right? And as per ESC conventional, refrigeration topic is not much more important, but also it is important. So as per ESC conventional, we will clear that he approx 35 marks minimum, and here 45 marks maximum can be allotted as per this exam. Okay, so this subject, this applicative part of thermodynamics, this subject is very important as per our GATE examination and also as per our ESE examination. Okay, my dear friends. So in this lecture, we will study that what is the syllabus under this subject and what is its weightage as per different examination like GATE and ESE. And my dear friends, in next lecture we will start from this topic, this basics. We will start from this topic basics under section first. That means section first is what? Refrigeration. Is it right? So thank you all.